The state of Punjab is known as India's breadbasket. The holiest shrine of Sikh faith, Sri Harmandir Sahib, famously known as the Golden Temple, feeds more than 1 lakh devotees every day. But is Punjab election ready amidst the recurring pandemic and lockdown? Let's find out.
So kids, still there are some blanks left. Let's fill them. Don't forget, every word must be related to elections. Okay. C. C stands for candidate. So C for candidate. So P for
Punjab.
excellent. P word right. P for Punjab.
Polls.
Right. P for polls. Let's move to V.
Vaccine.
V for vaccine.
Votes.
Yes, we will write V for votes. So, if V stands for vaccine, V stands for votes, so our P for Punjab will become V for victorious.
What?
Didn't understand? Then let's see there.
It is the determination of officials of CEO Punjab, buoyed by the commitment towards Election Commission of India, that voters from even the remotest areas are reached out despite being hurdles of inaccessible terrain. Electoral process can be considered complete only if the voices of all the communities are heard and included. From enrollment to elections, the Election Commission of India leaves no stone unturned in ensuring that no voter is left behind. Enhancing participation of every strata of society, such as youth, persons with disabilities, senior citizens, urban voters, etc., seamlessly integrate with the underlying philosophy of universal adult suffrage. Every strata of society is encouraged to cast their vote at polling stations. However, under the aegis of ECI, postal ballot facility is provided to electors in case their health condition doesn't allow them to come at polling station. Amid COVID-19, elections are not only required to be free and fair, but it is also vital to ensure safety for the electors as well as polling officials. Preparedness has been made well in advance in the state of Punjab to ensure that voters feel safe while voting in COVID times.
Elections in India are more like festival, more so in the case of Punjab, where we have more than 2.12 crores of electorate, where people participate in elections as they participate in the festivals. In Punjab, during the time of pandemic, where pandemic poses a lot of challenges in the conduct of elections, under the able guidance of and the always watchful guidance of the Election Commission of India, we provide all the facilities for the electorate. In 24,689 polling booths in Punjab across the state, we provide all the minimum facilities for the voters. More facilities like the ramps, wheelchairs have been provided for the facilitation of persons with disabilities.
The complete election staff from bottom to top in this coming Punjab Assembly elections they were facing a big challenge in sweep activities, and our staff members, they did a marvelous job by adopting the digitization and technology new methods.
Even the crops seem ready for the polls. Punjab is poll ready. Are you?